Pampering yourself is an important aspect of self-care because it allows you to prioritize your physical and mental well-being. It also helps to reduce stress, improve mental health and productivity, and also increase self-esteem. Here are some ideas to help you pamper yourself. Number 1. Have a spa day. Visiting a spa is a great way to feel relaxed. Not only you are going to feel better mentally, but you are also going to feel more confident, sleep better, and benefit from better skin. Number 2. Take a bubble bath. Have a warm bath with your favorite bath salts, essential oils, or bubble bath. Pamper yourself with a shower using luxurious shower gels and scrubs. Number 3. Give yourself a massage. Most people find massage delightful. It is greatly relaxing and one of the best ways to pamper yourself. It will greatly improve the quality of your life and it can boost your performance at the workplace as well. Massage is good both for your mental and physical health. When you want to pamper yourself, it is a must-try one. Number 4. Have a candlelight dinner. Set the mood with lighting, aromatic scent, and soothing music and treat yourself to candlelight dinner. Whether you decide to cook yourself or order from your favorite restaurant, it is always a good idea to treat yourself to the food you absolutely adore. Number 5. Follow skincare routine. Maintain your skincare routine every day. Follow a comprehensive skincare routine including cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and applying a face mask. Don't forget to pamper your hands and feet with a manicure and pedicure. Number 6. Have a hair care. Hair care is an essential part of daily self-care. So many people apply various products to have healthy and strong hair. Having glamorous hair improves one's self-confidence 100%. It changes a person's life greatly. Choose activities that you really have fun while doing it and feel happy and relaxed. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.